The roof is gone in most places, and the whole inside of it, except for the family room, is demolished. I was trying to see if there's. I want everything off of that bed, and I want that TV, and I want everything that you can find that's any good.
Careful, I got it.
Daddy, I've got to get I've got to start getting all that china and stuff out of there. I've got closets full of clothes.
Turned on the television and I knew that the tornado was coming toward our home, and I just happened to look out, and as we have this arch here, and as I looked out I saw the debris coming, and I thought, oh my gosh, I need to get somewhere, and so I jumped into this closet and I heard it. I heard the large sound, I heard the glass breaking, I heard everything, and then I felt this wall starting to come this way. And I was in the floor here with my dogs. And it happened, only lasted 15 to 20 seconds. The house is a total loss. If you can see, I mean, the whole top part of the house is pretty much gone. We've lost a lot of furniture, a lot of paintings. But they're all things. They're all things. And I just feel okay.